Right, we're going to show you today how to fit this new dynamic side repeater to the Mark 1 BMW Mini 1, Mini Cooper S. So that's for all the Minis with the bonnet like this. Just zoom back a bit. So when you lift up the bonnet, the headlights lift up with the bonnet, and this side repeater aperture here doesn't go to this join line where the bonnet meets the wing. So it's for the ones like that. This is the Cooper S and it's chrome. It might just be black on your car. And so the standard side repeater is just a white plastic, and inside was just an orange bulb that makes it flash orange, and we'll show you on the other side in just a second. These are new side repeaters with this whole dynamic thing going on, and we've got them in smokes and in clear. So we are going to go round the other side and let's have a look how easy these are to upgrade. So this is the standard side repeater flashing away there. Let me just turn that off, but you can see that's a clear plastic lens with an orange bulb. So how do we get this out? Right, we have to push the side repeater back, and there's a little spring at the back here to release the front clip. So if I push it this way and then pull that front corner, I've unhooked that. But then sometimes they get a bit stuck like that. So one trick you can do is you can get a credit card and push it in from the back just to release the spring, and I'll show you what I'm doing when I've got it out. So this is the spring here, and that's the little hook we unclipped. You got the angle on that? Can you see that little hook there? Okay, and what we do, and then I unclip that, but this clip still fights you. So by putting the credit card in, you can just release that a little bit there. Okay, right. We've got that off. Now we could unplug this plug here, but there's no need really. We can just twist that fit in there, which gives us the bulb, and we can take the bulb out. We don't need the bulb, so let's put that there. Reach across, and let's put in let's put in this clear side repeater, because you've seen what the smoke one looks like. Let's have a look. Now, although these wires are black and red, it doesn't matter which way round they go. But that sort of emulates a bulb, and you can pop that in there, look. Okay. And then you can make sure the wires don't get stuck on the connector. Tuck those in, and then if you get that right, that will realign. But notice how the springy bit lines up with the connector when you've got it in. Now, the springy bit on both sides points towards the rear of the car. So you want to get that there, and then get the springy bit in first. Then it's the same as, so I want to push it back and then tuck it in, and that's that all done. Let's turn that on, see if that works. There we go. There's no error messages come up on the dash. That's the BMW Mini Dynamic repeater upgrade done. Good luck with that.